Hey guys, Lysanne here. So I've come to understand that a lot of beginning editors find removing a green screen a bit difficult. I was actually the same when I just started out. I'm really glad I found out about this certain method because it saves me so much time. So I decided to make a small tutorial on how I easily remove green screens from the MSP avatars. First you go to Select, then choose Color Range. Select the green screen. I always put fuzziness on 200, but try the different numbers out for yourself and see what you like best. The eyes have some select lines as well, because my MSP avatar has green eyes. Select the lasso tool and while you press Alt, draw a selection around the eyes. This deletes those select lines and you won't end up cutting the eyes out. Do this also when your MSP avatar has other green stuff in the outfit. If your MSP avatar has a lot of green and no blue, I suggest using a blue screen instead of a green screen. After you're done with checking for any select lines in the MSP avatar itself, hit delete. The background is now completely removed. Easy, right? I hope this small tutorial helped you a bit if you were struggling with removing backgrounds in Photoshop. Bye!